See here? He's serious. Not messing around. Got kayaks. Kind of excited. Boat 1 going in. And we're off. Like he's got something. All right. How much? Tube. Nice. Definitely over the limit. 15 inches. It's just perfect. And you got him right off that dock.
Yeah, right under that dock over there, so jet skis.
Okay, that's where I'm headed. Well, it's not as big as Tyler's, but I'm just getting started, really, honestly. I think it's not as big as yours, but I think mine's cuter, actually. I mean, look at him spinning there, you know, showing off his.
I could ruin this guy if I fish his mouth.
That was wrong. Making fun of my cute fish. You get the hook out, please. He was a fighter, man. He's a fighter!